Welcome back to another video. We got a 2021 Ford Mustang, the Mach-E, the electric wagon looking thing. So we're gonna be painting this whole side. As you can see, we got two new doors installed. We already jammed on the inside of the doors. We put them on, and now we have to blend the fender, quarter, and paint both doors. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply sealer to the doors, feather in the sealer onto the front half of the fender and rear quarter panel. Red on this cover, very transparent, so it's gonna be very difficult to cover everything that's not uniform. So we have to apply a nice uniform undercoat and blend it out, so then that way our paint will blend out that much easier. It's a 3-stage red pearl called Lucid Red. Color code is D4. Yep, it's called Lucid Red. And it's a tri-coat. Let's shoot our sealer. I got it mixed up here, and then we can move on to the color. Let's do it. All right, so this is what we're looking like after 2 coats of our first base coat. And it's looking nice and clean, blended out beautifully. And we're ready for our mid coat. Check it out. Still a little wet spot right there, but that should dry in a couple seconds. But yeah, everything's looking good. Let's apply our mid coat. I got it mixed up. And we're gonna do our 2 coats. And I think that should seal the deal. Let's go. Okay, so this is our mid coat applied and dried, 2 coats. So now we have a total of 4 coats on here, 2 base coats, 2 mid coats, and we're gonna give it 2 clear coats. Looking good. I think we're ready. right, our Ford Mustang Mach-E is finally painted. It's clear coated and it's ready to go. 3-stage Lucid red paint job, blended on the fender and the quarter. Let me show you guys how it turned out. Very happy with the results. Can't wait to pull it out into the sun and see how the color looks. Boom, check it out. Sheesh. Beautiful deep red glossy paint job. As you can see, we stayed away from the front of the fender. We obviously had to dust a little color on the very edge next to the door. That way we match the door and the fender. Got a nice smooth transition of color to no color, and that's what we want to see. Blended the pillar as well, all the way back coming here. Blended the quarter, painted the whole quarter next to the bumper. Obviously had to blend a little color onto the trunk area, but I'm not worried about that. And then for the final, painted the 2 doors. Check it out. Super clean, super glossy. This paint job in general has a lot of orange peel, and it's not the greatest Ford factory paint job, so ours is gonna look a little better, but that's okay. Since it's the whole side, nobody will ever notice. And then here's our flare. Nice and clean. No dirty spots. Deep, rich color. Looking beautiful. All right, let's pull the Ford Mustang. I feel weird calling it Mustang, but I guess it's a Mustang. Pull it out, unmask it, pull it out, get it into assembly. Let's go. Mustang Mach-E is finally painted. It's dry. It's the next day. You saw what it looks like. The color looks beautiful. The blends look awesome, and it's ready for assembly. So we're gonna get that thing assembled, detailed, and ready for our customer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. That is gonna be it for today. See you guys in the next one.